Good morning and welcome to All In with Sarn Patterson. I am Sarn Patterson and I'm about to kick off my first workout for this week, and I'll be posting about that afterwards, and I'm sure I'll be fired up and feeling good. But I wanted you guys to see the other side of it, where before I got the endorphin rush, before I pushed through, where I was started. So last night was a night full of nightmares, so not really restful sleep. Yesterday was a day of 6 or 7 hours of extreme pain, and all of that has a serious deleterious effect on my mood, on my mental energy, on my emotional energy. And the reason why I'm so been pumped up about these exercises is one of those ways that I'm able to bring positive energy back into my day, to be able to push forward, to be able to focus again, and to be able to do all the things that's required of me every single day. And I wanted you to know that there is a flip side to the coin, that I am not always fired up, not I'm always on intensity, and I'm not always happy. And that's why I'm really looking forward to finding some time to talk through some of these things with everybody. But this is me just letting you know that it isn't always sunshine and rainbows. I'm not always fired up, that there is a process that I have to build to get to where I want to be. And today it's going to take me a little bit longer. I got to take 10, 15 minutes prior to the workout to build myself up to doing it. And once I start moving, I'll be all right. But sometimes it takes a little extra to take that first step. And that's all I really wanted to say, other than to remind you I've got your six, because I'm there with you and we're going to make it happen. Take care.